First Corinthians
First Corinthians
chapter 14
chapter 14
to
to
chapter 14
chapter 14
11.
11.
For one
For one
who speaks in a tongue
who speaks in a tongue
speaks not
speaks not
to men
to men
but to God,
but to God,
for no one understands him,
for no one understands him.
but he utters
But he utters
mysteries in the spirit.
mysteries in the spirit.
On the other hand,
On the other hand,
the one
the one
who prophesies
who prophesies
speaks to
speaks to
people
people
for their upbuilding
for their
and encouragement
and encouragement
and consolation.
and consolation.
The one
The one
who speaks in a tongue
who speaks in a tongue
builds up himself,
builds up himself,
but the one
but the one
who prophesies
who prophesies
builds up the church.
builds up the church.
Now I want you all
Now I want you all
to speak in tongues,
to speak in tongues,
but even more
but even more
to prophecy.
to prophecy.
The one
The one
who prophesies
who prophesies
is greater than
is greater than
the one who speaks in tongues,
the one who speaks in tongues,
unless someone
unless someone
interprets,
interprets,
so that the church may be built up.
so that the church may be built up.
Now, brothers,
Now, brothers,
if I come to you
if I come to you
speaking in tongues,
speaking in tongues,
how will I benefit you
how will I benefit you
unless I bring you
unless I bring you
some revelation
some revelation
or knowledge
or knowledge
or prophecy
or prophecy
or teaching?
or teaching?
If
If
even lifeless instruments
even lifeless instruments
such as
such as
the flute
the flute
or the harp
at the harp
do not give distinct notes,
do not give distinct notes,
how will anyone
how will anyone
know what is played?
know what is played?
And if the bugle
And if the bugle
gives an indistinct sound,
gives an indistinct sound,
who will get ready for battle?
who will get ready for battle?
So with yourselves,
So with yourselves,
if with your tongue
if with your tongue
you utter speech
you utter speech
that is not intelligible,
that is not intelligible,
how will anyone know
how will anyone know
what is said?
what is said?
For you will be speaking into the air.
For you will be speaking into the air.
There are doubtless many different languages
many different languages
in the world, and none is without meaning.
without meaning.
But if I do not know
But if I do not know
the meaning of the language,
the meaning of the language,
I will be a
be a
foreigner to the speaker,
foreigner to the speaker,
and the speaker
the speaker
a foreigner to me.
a foreigner to me.